Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. I'm your teacher, Kaveri. Children, today I am going to introduce you with EEP sound CVC words of I word family. I, P, EEP. E, P, EEP sound CVC words. Let's see them.
I, P, EEP. E, P, EEP. H, EEP, heap. This is our heap. D, EEP, deep. The tea bag is dipping in the cup. Z, EEP, zip. We have zip on our dress. L, EEP, leap. This is our leap. S, EEP, sip. The girl is having a sip of the cold drink.
Children, now we will read EEP sound words. I, P, EEP. E, P, EEP words. H, EEP, heap. H, EEP, heap. D, EEP, deep. D, EEP, deep. Z, EEP, zip. Z, EEP, zip. S, EEP, sip. S, EEP, sip. Let's read them also. Deep, heap, leap, neep, reap, sip, tip, zip. In this way, you will also read this EEP sound words in page number 23.
Kids, now do this worksheet in your notebook and send a picture to your ma'am. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.